Yeah, seriously, like a fucking 20-mile day, that would have been like what?
All right, good morning, everybody. Third day in New Jersey. So today we're going 17 miles into Unionville where we're going to get food. It's going to be 90 degrees today, and we're all lazy. And 700's behind me, and he's been walking real slow with us for the last couple days. And he will for the next couple days because we're going to go to the Warwick Drive-In Theater. Yeah, we're going to go there on Sunday, even though we won't quite be in New York yet. So it's going to be really fun. And yeah, anything you want to say? Because I don't know what to say. Driving. That's it.
I just hate the heat.
Same. The AT brings us down just to go right back up again, considering we're climbing up the high peak.
Yay.
It's bullshit. We're gonna die. It's the midday lounge. We're literally hanging out here for like 3 hours before we finish up and go into town. I'm drying my stuff. The shoes are off. It is really hot. It's like 90.
This is a little guy.
Oh, he's cute.
Go give him a high five. I got full service.
About to have Thunderstorm. We just left the shelter. Took a nap. Now we have 6 more miles to get to town, and it's gonna rain on us. How was your nap? Tell the camera.
It was great.
He had a great nap.
Yeah.
We stayed there for like 3 hours actually. And now we're going into Unionville for ice cream and shower. Oh yeah, we're gonna get dumped on.
He's like, don't mess with me, I will mess you up.
He's coming. He's
Dude,
like,
is he turning around to
I'm
fight?
gonna fuck you up.
No fighting.
That's a snapper. Need it.
Kicking.
You need out on us. Don't take any of that cheese.